Hello everybody, welcome to the Rockin' Crystals channel. My name is AJ and I am on the road sourcing crystals for the Rockin' Crystals shop. I am going to throw this video over to my buddy Jay, just Jay, no A, to teach you all about crystals today.
Crystals for spiritual protection. We face a lot of stress during the day. We get used to it, so we might not notice that it remains in the background, making things more difficult in general. Sleeping will not restore the body to its natural state. In the morning, the stress will pick up pretty much where it left off the night before, unless we do something about it. We need to practice relaxation purposefully to see good results through meditation and mindfulness, and even by taking walks. We add peace to our minds, balance. Like with stress, damaging or bad energy can get mixed with our aura or affect where we live. There's a strong connection between our personal energy and how we feel at any given moment. So keeping clear aura is not an abstract concern. A calm and clean aura will reflect on how you move and think in your daily life. Dispersing unwanted energies in your body and home is one of the most important things you can do. Protection should be the next step. Laying protective stones and wearing protective jewelry promotes a constant flow of energy throughout your body and space, vital to your health and well-being. Personal protection. Many stones can help you energetically, but few are unique and widely used. I prefer to mention these as I am quite sure you will see results you can generally notice. Tourmaline cleanses, purifies, and transforms dense energy while cleansing and balancing all the chakras. Natural tourmaline wands are useful for healing. They cleanse the aura, remove blockages, disperse negative energies, and balance and connect the chakras and meridians. Quartz clears accumulated emotional junk, helping the body restore balance and heal itself physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. In addition to preventing diseases, quartz can be a useful healing tool when they have manifested themselves. Black onyx is one of the best protection crystals because it makes decision making easier. By connecting with a black onyx protection crystal, you can work to protect your energy from regression to negative habits or patterns. Jasper is also among the cleansing stones that absorb negative energy, but they are especially beneficial for nurturing the aura. How to use them on yourself. Meditating is an excellent way of contacting a crystal or stone, a form of connecting your energy to it to strengthen your mind and spirit. 1. Sit or lie down quietly to prepare for the meditation session. Prevent any interruptions so that your mind doesn't need to be ready to respond to the outside world. Deep relaxation improves our faculties. 2. You can use a candle to help you focus and to reinforce the intention of your protection meditation. Place the stone or crystal before the candle so that you may see the flame reflected on its top. 3. Touch the crystal for a moment and feel its shape. Allow your mind to get a feeling from it. Then feel your energy going into the stone as it is where a part of your body feels its pressure. Now, no image in your mind is necessary, unlike a visualization. The touch and the sense should remain the focus here. Now, 4. Now resetting the hands on your laps, palms down. Make a connection with your crystal. Start by remembering how its shape and texture feel. Build your rapid report from there. Allow your mind to rest on the crystal and close your eyes. Now you inhibit both your body and the crystal in front of you. 6. Your energy will transmute and leave behind its impurities. You will feel the results of this practice, a feeling of renewal and peace. 7. Close the meditation giving thanks and asking your stone to protect you, being open to life energy. Carry the crystal or stone with you as an amulet if you can, or keep it close in your daily life. A better living space. Your home can be a temple of peace where you can free yourself from all the negative thoughts that accompany you. Different stones can help absorb vibrations so that you can ease your mind quickly. Placing them strategically in rooms where you spend a lot of time will help their vibrations on all the time. Using these crystals will ensure that your house remains protected from any negative energies or outside influences. Still, before placing stones or other energy remedies at home, it is advisable to cleanse the space of any negative energies that may have accumulated. If you have started to live in a new place, it is essential to do so, and after a dispute, an event that may have attracted a lousy energy or very negative person's imprint, but in general, it is positive custom to do it a few times a year, no matter what. Cleaning and cleansing the home. This cleaning is as simple as it is useful. Open the windows so that fresh air enters and the dense energy comes out. First, light a stick of incense. A bundle of sage is even better if you can find it. Then walk with it throughout the house, moving clockwise. It means that there is always a wall next to you on your left side. Remember to start at the entrance. It is important to pay particular attention to the corners where more stagnant energy accumulates and the thresholds. If you get a strange sensation or uneasiness while doing this, stop and stand there for a little while. Sense it and ask it to leave. I do not believe that we are talking about a presence as if referring to an entity, but dealing with an abstract things as entities is pretty standard and useful in a ritual context. Before starting to live in a new place, it is essential to do this sort of practice. Another circumstance to do this would be an after ugly dispute or an incident that may have attracted bad energy, a home incident, or a very negative person's visit. The house is already clean, energetically, and we can move on to place the protective glass. There are many stones with protective qualities, but two among them work very well together. These are black tourmaline and selenite. The black tourmaline is clearly at the top of the most protective stones that exist. It acts as a shield that repels any negative energy, be it electromagnetic activity, ill will, a psychic attack, or damaging energies. This stone expels the most unwanted energies and encourages a positive attitude that affects those in its area or influences and brings vitality. Both aspects also help disintegrate negativity. Selenite brings softer energy and a sense of calm. It balances and perfectly complements the shield protective energy tourmaline. In addition to protecting from the harmful influences, the stone brings deep peace and serenity, which help to keep your home clean of negativity. Crystal grid. How to build it. The shapes that we find in connection to spiritual practices are quite diverse, but we can find some of those in many traditions. It is fascinating because they show us an aspect of the spiritual experiences that seem to be symbolized similarly in cultures, thousands of miles and hundreds of years apart. They reflect something very primal about ourselves and what we accept to be a language of shapes. Then those shapes can take part in mandalas, medals, and of course buildings. While we are keeping this in mind, we should consider a crystal grid as an arrangement of sorts, which indicates a shape from the placement of crystals or stones in specific points of the body they represent. So we are not drawing with the stones as much as we are marking the shape's outline, not unlike the stars keep the form of a zodiac sign. Regarding the placement, you can put tourmaline inside or outside the house, but keep in mind that selenite must be inside since its structure is much more delicate and fragile. The ideal is to place them together in each house's main corner, forming a protective fabric. If the room has a rounded shape, the placement could follow the four quarters. While you are placing the crystals in the corresponding place, it is positive if you use an affirmation to program them, a quick phrase with the intention of protecting the house. You can do it out loudly or mentally and use something like, "Now this home is fully protected," or whatever is most appropriate for you. Once the stones have been placed, stand in the approximate center of the frame and visualize the crystals joining by lines of light. It is the energy that keeps the structure together and active, protecting the entire space of your home. If you want, you can also imagine a protective shield surrounding the whole house on the outside. With this, your home would already be protected. Nevertheless, don't forget that your activities, emotions, and thoughts, and those of all the people who live with you or visit you continuously, move and transform the environment's energies. We all have the possibilities and the responsibility to maintain these clean and positive energies to enjoy a protective, peaceful, healthy, and welcoming home. Protecting your home in simple steps. You can change your space's attitude in a few minutes, so it's not easily affected by negativity. You can do this at any time, but near noon on a clear day would be perfect. 1. Open all the windows and clean each room, making sure any negative energy can move and go out the window. Stagnant air is always part of the problem. While it is also so easy to solve, find a place in your home where you can set your intention. Sit in the center of that space, relaxing and focusing your energy. Place the crystal in the corners of your home. It can be done using one crystal in each place, of a combination of two, black tourmaline and selenite, as mentioned before. If the general shape of your home is rounded, you can set them in the four directions. 4th one, visualize the protective crystals connecting to each other. This interaction is what we are looking for, integrating and reinforcing the purpose we are setting in our home. In the tarot deck created by Aleister Crowley, the 4 discs is pictured as a fortress, and the card is called Power. A square shape is recommended as a sign of strength and protection. The number 4 is a basic structure of stability. The traditional elements are 4, and they constitute the created universe essence. Also, we have the 4 winds as the main directions, the 4 letters of God's Hebrew's name, the 4 archangels, etc. In the same manner, we will find other shapes that we can use in creating a crystal grid. This is explored in depth in sacred geometry, and it is surprised at the variety of complex shapes in which you can find crystals and stones cut. A way of life. At times we go through a situation that catches us off guard. We may be entirely out of balance from one moment to the next. You may wonder if crystals can help you then. The answer is a resounding yes, but the secret to having good results, as it happens with sports and spiritual practice in general, is the discipline we keep. We can be real friends with our crystals or just acquaintances. Cleansing your crystals and charging them, keeping them in your routines, is what connects you to the crystals so that your mind is open to the vibration and your energetic structure is accepting of the transmutation. Moreover, it combines the crystal to your aura, so both are always communicating.
You can win a crystal by leaving a comment and letting us know what you love about crystals. Also be subscribed to this channel. We give away a new crystal with every video upload. If you're looking to buy crystals, we have some amazing deals available at our crystal shop. Link in the description below. Grab yourself a free copy of the Crystal Compendium, which has over 250 crystal definitions. Link in the description below. Join our crystal affiliate program if you'd like to make money selling crystals. We pay a 22% commission for referred sales. Enroll in our crystal healing course. Link in the description below, along with a link to our affiliate program, and check out the Crystal Meanings app in both the App Store and Google Play Store for crystal meanings and definitions at your fingertips. It's absolutely free, pun intended. And of course, be subscribed to this channel because we learn something about crystals every single day. And who doesn't love learning about crystals? Okay, have a great day.